Hi guys, my name is Ted Su. Welcome to our TT Accountancy podcast again. Today we'll be diving into a topic that can be a game changer for innovative businesses, the R&D Tax Offset. Joining us is Teke Tu, an experienced chartered accountant who has helped numerous businesses to navigate this ATO program. Let's uncover how you can maximize your R&D tax benefit in just a few minutes. Thank you for joining us. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well, thank you. How are you, Ted?
Cool. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm pretty excited to hear more from you for the R&D tax offset. So I think I appreciate we need to get right into it immediately. As we mentioned, the topic today can be a game changer for innovative businesses. Can you briefly explain why is it called game changers for innovative businesses?
The main reason is that it's a game changer is because the additional funding that businesses can get without going to the bank or dilute their shares. A lot of innovative businesses are startups. Funding is actually critical for their success. With the R&D tax offset, they can actually get back 43.5% of their R&D expenditure. And that could mean the business could spend a lot more on R&D activities in the future, which help them to succeed.
Wow, there's really a lot, 43.5%, isn't that, Techie?
It is substantial. Yeah.
Yeah, I believe the audience came to know the next question, which will be, can you briefly explain the key criteria businesses need to meet in order to qualify for the refundable tax offset of 43.5%?
Sure. Firstly, the business needs to be a company. Secondly, the turnover needs to be $20 million or less. Thirdly, they need to have spent at least $20,000 on the R&D activities. Last but not least is that they must be conducting experimental activities aimed at generating new knowledge and registered R&D activities with OZ industry. The deadline to register for the 2024 financial year is end of April 2025. Please put that in your diary and start preparing the R&D application early.
Yeah, I think time is flying, right? We still have like half a year, but time is running down, time is flying. We are around the Christmas, so it's better to prepare earlier. But what is the one key piece of advice for businesses looking to maximize their claims?
It's critical to have proper record keeping of all your R&D activities, I guess. Timesheets to record time spent on conducting the experiments, the direct expenses such as materials and consumables that were used in the experiments, the indirect expenses such as rent and utility bills that are attributable to the floor space that is specifically used for conducting R&D activities. Try to incorporate a system in your bookkeeping routine to track the R&D expenses regularly and don't leave it until the last minute.
Cool. That's it. Thanks for those insightful tips, Taki. This has been a quick but valuable look at how businesses can benefit from R&D tax offset 43.5%. Feel free to put your comment if you have any questions. Stay innovative and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.